Piny owacho mar Kenya kod bengi KFW mbalariany mar Aga Khan kanyakla kod mbetre mar German ochwalo masinde mag jiwo thieth ne counties maoro kwako kaka Isiolo, Marsabit, Mandera, Wajir, Lamu kod Samburu e kind mamoko. En nyasi manotele kod Mama Ruto ma en min od jatend piny Kenya e kar jot mar jatend piny e boma ma Nairobi. Jatend migawo mar thieth Susan Akumicha, jakom weche thieth e riwruok mar Governors Muthomi Njuki kod jatije mbalariany mag Aga Khan Rashid Kalani okoni masinde go biro chiwo yot e chwalo thieth e gwenge ma pacho ka mantiere kod pek e yudo thieth e yo mayot.
As spouses to governors present, Turkana and West Pokot counties also.
Today, as we gather here, we are recognizing the efforts that have been made in healthcare and coming together to play our part by handing over medical equipment that will be beneficial to those in far-flunked areas. I wish to extend my gratitude to the German government and the KFW Development Bank, whose generous support will go a long way.
His Excellency the President, he has presided over 100,000 community health promoters who are adequately kitted and equally trained to ensure that they provide the services at the community level in the household.
To ensure that all citizens have access to highest quality of health services where they need them, and at a cost they can afford.
These mobile clinics will significantly increase the reach and accessibility of healthcare services, bringing them closer to the doorstep of Kenyans.
Aterie County